Google added AI to your email and documents, but most of it is hidden. Here is how to find and use the 4 features that matter. Welcome to Dry Run, where we test AI tools so you don't waste your afternoon finding out they don't work. You likely pay for a Google Workspace subscription or use a personal Gmail account that prompts you to upgrade every time you log in. You see the colorful star icon in the corner of your window. You might have clicked it once or twice only to find it suggests sentences that sound like a corporate robot. Most professionals ignore these tools because they feel like toys. They think AI is for writing poems or generating images of cats in space. Meanwhile, your inbox is a disaster. You spend 40 minutes searching for a specific PDF sent 3 months ago. You spend an hour drafting a project proposal that is already outlined in a separate document. You are doing manual labor in a digital environment that is supposed to be automated. The noise around Google AI is loud, but the utility is often buried under 3 layers of menus. We are in 2026, and the novelty of large language models has worn off. We only care about what saves time and reduces friction. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use Google AI to summarize 50 email threads in seconds, draft documents using your existing data, search your history with natural language, and manage your calendar without leaving your inbox. These are the best AI tools for office productivity because they require 0 new software. Number 1, semantic search in Gmail and Drive. Here's the thing most people miss. The search bar no longer requires exact keywords. In the past, if you searched for a receipt from a specific vendor but forgot the vendor's name, you were out of luck. Now you can type conversational queries into the top search bar. You can ask for the document where we discuss the budget for the summer marketing campaign. The AI scans the content of your emails, the text within PDFs, and the notes in your spreadsheets to find the specific answer. It does not look for the word budget, it looks for the concept of the budget. This saves about 3 hours a week if you use it right. To use this today, click the Gemini icon in the top right of your Gmail interface. Type your question as if you are asking a colleague. Do not use keywords, use full sentences. If the search fails, rephrase the question with more context about the date or the person involved. The takeaway is that your inbox is now a searchable database of your entire professional life. Number 2, contextual drafting with grounding. Let me break this down plainly. Most people use the Help Me Write feature to generate generic text from scratch. This is a mistake. The real power lies in grounding your drafts in existing files. In the 2026 version of Google Docs, you can use the @ symbol to reference other files directly within the AI prompt. If you need to write an executive summary for a new client, you do not start with a blank page. You open a new document, trigger the AI assistant, and type. Write a summary based on project notes and a client email thread. The AI reads those specific files and pulls out the relevant data points, dates, and names. It eliminates the need to copy and paste between tabs. This ensures your output is accurate and based on facts rather than hallucinations. To use this, look for the floating pencil icon or the sidebar in Google Docs. Always specify which documents the AI should look at. The takeaway is that AI should never work in a vacuum. Always give it your data to work with. Number 3, smart thread summarization. We have all been added to an email chain that started 3 weeks ago and contains 40 replies. Reading the entire history is a waste of your morning. Google AI now places a summary chip at the top of long threads. It identifies the main points of disagreement, the decisions made, and the pending action items. Skip the theory. Here's what actually works. Do not rely on the automatic summary alone. Open the Gemini side panel and ask, what is the specific deadline mentioned by the client? Or ask, who is responsible for the next set of wireframes? The AI will highlight the exact email where those details were confirmed. This turns a wall of text into a checklist. This is one of the most effective workspace AI features for managers who spend their lives in meetings and email. The takeaway is that you should use AI to filter the noise, so you can focus on the tasks that require your actual intelligence. Number 4, predictive scheduling and task extraction. The honest answer is most of us are terrible at moving tasks from our email to our calendars. In 2026, Google AI has integrated these 2 functions. When you receive an email asking for a meeting next Thursday at 2, the AI detects the intent. In the side panel, it will show you a preview of your Thursday schedule without you switching apps. It will suggest a reply based on your availability. More importantly, it can extract tasks. If an email says, "Please send me the updated roster by Friday," you can click a single button to turn that sentence into a Google task with a due date. No fluff, here's exactly how to do it. Highlight the text in the email that contains the task. Click the Gemini icon. Select Create Task. The AI populates the title, the deadline, and a link back to the original email for context. This creates a closed loop between your communication and your execution. The takeaway is that your inbox should be a tool for action, not just a place where requests go to die. These 4 features represent the reality of the intelligence revolution in the workplace. They are not about creating art or writing novels. They are about reducing the cognitive load of administrative work. You are already paying for these Google tools. You might as well make them work for you. Most tutorials won't tell you this, but the effectiveness of these tools depends entirely on how you organize your data. If your Google Drive is a mess of untitled documents, the AI will struggle to find the right context. Spend 10 minutes a week naming your files clearly, and the AI will reward you with hours of reclaimed time. Welcome to Dry Run, where we test AI tools so you don't waste your afternoon finding out they don't work. To recap, use semantic search for concepts instead of keywords. Ground your drafts in existing documents using the symbol. Use thread summaries to find specific action items. Use task extraction to bridge the gap between your inbox and your calendar. These are the Gmail AI features that actually move the needle for professionals. That's everything for today. If one of those saves you even 30 minutes this week, it was worth your time watching. If this was useful, hit subscribe. We post every week, no filler. And drop a comment below. Which of these 4 features are you going to try first, or are you still skeptical of AI reading your private emails? I read every reply.